Hi, 6th grade. Today you'll learn the basics of Google Slides. While you watch this video, I will tell you to press pause a few times to complete today's classwork assignment, which will help you create a presentation about who you are as a reader. First, you'll open up the document that is posted on Google Classroom. This is a blank presentation. I want you to notice what is similar to a Word document if you've ever used one before. If you hover your mouse over the buttons along the top, you can see what all of them are for. So you can see undo or redo if you make a mistake. You can insert a text box, a picture, and all of these things. The first thing we want to do is select a theme for our presentation. You can see the theme button here. Click on that and choose a theme that you like. Press pause on this video now and press play again when you're ready to continue. Now we're ready to type, so let's X out of the theme and go ahead and click in the box. Just like in a document, you can change the font, color, and size of what you're writing. For this first slide, let's just put your name and your class. You can highlight the text by clicking and dragging to change the size or the color. Once again, press pause until you're ready to continue. Now that we have our first slide, we can add another slide. Click on the down arrow next to the plus sign at the top left to add a slide, then choose the layout you want. For this assignment, I would choose title and body. I'm going to call this slide My Reader Profile. And again, I can change the font and size if I want to. On this slide, you'll add things about you as a reader. So for example, I might have the fact that I learned to read in kindergarten, or that I liked to stay up past my bedtime with a flashlight and read after my parents told me to go to bed. Any kind of fun facts that you think are relevant to you as a reader. Go ahead and do this slide now and then press play again when you're ready to continue. On the next slide, we want to add pictures. So let's add a new slide with the layout title only. The title can be My Favorite Books. And we want to choose a few pictures from the internet to use. So I'm going to search for some of my favorite books, like Harry Potter. I'll open up a new tab by clicking this little dot up here at the top, and I'll just type in the books that I want to look up. So for example, Harry Potter. Once you do a Google search, you can click on Images. And once I find a picture I want to use, I want to actually use one from the book and not the movie. Here we go. You can click on the picture to make it bigger, and then you will hold down, you have two choices. You can either hold down the control button and click, or you can click with the right button of your mouse. So I'm going to do copy image, select copy image, go back to my slides, and then either hold down control and press V, or control click. And I will paste that right here. You can go ahead and add more pictures to your favorite books. So pause this video to find at least 3 pictures that show some of your favorite books. On the next slide, you'll put your favorite types of books. This can either be a list of types of books, or you can use pictures to represent what you like. So I'm going to put my favorite genre or type of book. And for example, maybe I want to say that I love romance. I could either write the word romance, or I could Google image romance and find a picture that I think represents it. So I like this heart with the book, so I'm going to copy and paste that and put that over here as well. On this slide, you can use any combination of words and pictures. Finally, the last slide will include where you like to read. So I'll add one more. And once again, you can use either a list or pictures or both to put in where you like to read. So I might like to read on my couch, at a desk, in school, or in bed, although I feel like reading in bed is always a dangerous thing because you might fall asleep. So By now, you should know how to change the theme in a Google Slides presentation, how to add text, change the font, size, and color, how to add pictures from the internet, and how to add multiple slides. Feel free to go back and watch this video as many times as you need in order to help you get this assignment done. Thanks for listening, and I can't wait to see your completed slides.